What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be polishing the wheels. They're brushed right now, but we think it'll look a lot better polished, and this is the easiest way that we found to do this, or that Blaine found to do this. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the backs first. So we're just gonna be sanding them using 400, 800, 1500, and then all the way till 2000. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Alright guys, so these are going to be the lips right here. This is going to be the before. This is the brushed finish. It looks like raw aluminum just about. And this is going to be the after. Now it's really fast and it's really simple to do. All you're going to have to do is put the car up on jock stands in the rear. Take your sandpaper, a little bit of water, and move up in grits.
So now both of the back wheels should be spinning, so we're just gonna go ahead and start sanding. Everything's sanded, so I'm just gonna grab one of these towels, and then I'm gonna grab some of this and then just put them on the wheels. Be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So just as long as you kind of watch what you're doing, do it safely, don't do anything stupid. This works out perfectly fine. We've done this to all the wheels and we've done it multiple times, so we know it works and it saves a whole lot of time and a whole lot of effort. So that's why we continuously do it like this. So I hope you guys learned something new. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. We have some super exciting news coming in the next couple of weeks, so we're kind of just prepping for that, so you'll probably hear about it soon. So yeah, thank you guys so much for rocking with us, subscribing, liking our videos, watching our videos, and all of that stuff. We love you guys. We'll catch you guys in the next one.